The Chevening scholarship is currently open for applications to study in the UK for masters. We did a webinar with the Chevening scholar Michelle. She explained in details the process that she went through when she was applying for the scholarship. She's a Chevening scholar. She got the scholarship. She went to study in the UK sometime last year. She graduated this year, so she has completed her studies. So we had a webinar. The link is in the video description. It was a live session, so she went into detail step by step on the process that she went through when applying for the scholarship. So I would suggest that you go and watch that live session so that you can have a better understanding of what you need to do in order to apply for the scholarship. In this video, I'll just take you through the main page. But if you need more detailed information on the application process, please check the linked video in the video description. Go watch that live session, and it will help you with your application. So, first of all, you have to search for your country and search for the award. Like, for example, you click here. I'm going to put Botswana because that's my country, and we recently won a gold medal at the Olympics. Thank you. And then you search. You put your country, the scholarship, and then you search. It's a scholarship. The Chevening is a scholarship, not a fellowship. And then it will show information about your country. These are my lovely people from Botswana. You can see they have beautiful smiles. And then the application deadline is 5 November. You have enough time to prepare for your application. You have a lot of time to work on your application. So here is information about the scholarship. Then the required documents. So there are some documents that you need to submit. Michelle also explained those documents in the live session. You also need one unconditional UK university offer. So that means you have to apply for admission separately while you are applying for the scholarship. And I would suggest that you start working on your university application so that you can get admission. These are selection updates and timelines, feedback, how you receive feedback. If you need application guidance, there are guidance on references and interviews. You can click on each link. I've also put the official link in the video description. You can visit that link, and you should be able to click this linked words. So here's what's included in the scholarship. Your tuition fees will be covered. You get a monthly stipend. Please don't ask me how much. I don't know how much the stipend is. Just focus on submitting your application. You get your travel costs, your arrival allowance, your departure allowance, visa application fee, and a travel grant. So here's how to apply. First of all, you need to check the course, check for admission, apply for admission, sorry, not check. And then eligibility, make sure that you are eligible for the scholarship. References, see what is required in terms of the references and also the work experience. Michelle on the live session did explain how you should go about the work experience. So please go watch that live session. She broke it down so well for you. So that's that about the scholarship. This is just an overview. Like I said, go and watch the live session with Michelle, and all the best with your application.